So here we have a video of two dogs at feeding time. We have tan dog and white dog, along with two food bowls, one which still has food in it. So first we will watch a video that contains my objective behavioral observations along with some highlighted behaviors. And we will follow that with a video that contains my analysis of those noted objective behaviors. White watches Tan eat. He's laying down, but he's very focused on Tan. Looks at his food with a small sniff. Turns back to Tan. Focused on Tan. Both dogs orient to a noise. White goes back to watching Tan. Tan takes steps towards White. Freeze from White. Just sees tail wag, arousal increase, eye contact. White closes distance. Muzzle touch, muzzle touch, muzzle touch, muzzle touch. Body blocks, steps past. Tan steps towards food. White body blocks with muzzle punch. Eye arousal, tail wag, side to side. Both dogs look away. White shifts, muzzle punch, muzzle punch. Tan looks away, sniffs his collar. White turns towards food, still tense, still high arousal with the tail. Eats with a shoulder stance. Tan looks around, does not close distance to White. And as he walks away, White watches him go. Big stretch from Tan. And White resumes eating his food. The white dog is displaying some subtle resource guarding behaviors. What's notable is him choosing to lay in that rather tense position and watch the tan dog while the tan dog eats. What could he be doing instead? He could be eating, but he's not. So his focus is on the tan dog. That's what has his attention, even though, as we can see, he knows the food is there. So there is something more important to him than eating his food right now. The tan dog finishes eating and takes some steps towards the white dog. We can see him do a freeze, which is a sign of an arousal increase or a stress response to the tan dog getting closer. You can see his tail start to wag, and this is not a happy tail wag. You have the side-to-side tail. This is a signal for an arousal increase with the more tense body. He keeps watching the tan dog. So all of this is him getting more aroused and a little bit more stressed. White dog's body blocking of the tan dog shows us that he is choosing to manage how close the tan dog gets to his food. He is purposely putting himself between her and his food. Also notable are the muzzle touches and then later the muzzle punches. This is a way that white dog is communicating to tan dog, no, this is my food. So you have the combination of the arousal increase, him actually physically blocking her from getting closer, as well as the muzzle touches and punches, which are all signaling subtle resource guarding. Tan dog manages the white dog's concern and behaviors masterfully. She spends a lot of time looking away, which is a wonderful calming signal. You can see her tail does not wag like the white dog's does, so she is not having an increase in arousal or stress. Her body remains more still, her movements more slow and calm in comparison to the white dog's, which are all signs that she is hearing what he is saying and she is not continuing to pressure him, as well as her choice to not get closer to his food and actually move away. Finally, the white dog only begins eating after he has done all of the body blocks and muzzle touches and punches. And even then, he still does a shoulder stance, which means he stands with his right foot a little bit in front of and to the side of the food bowl, with his shoulder kind of blocking the food bowl from the tan dog. He also still watches as she walks away, and it's only when she reaches a certain distance that he truly begins to relax a little bit and eat.